Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace the Fitbit Charge HR clip on the back of the band. They've been known to fall off, and there's replacements you can buy out there that include the button and the clip. You will need super glue to do it. This is what it looks like. We also sell these online. You can buy one of these with the button and the clip. Little button is wrapped in plastic here. You can tear that open and it comes out. It has a small metal flange on the button. That should remain flat while you install it. We find it's easier to put it in the clip first. The metal flange should be pointing downward. So that's how it looks like when it's placed in there. You do not put glue on the button. So now it's in place. That's how it looks like after you place it in correctly. You should be able to push the button and feel the little click. There's two tiny plastic little tabs. You got to make sure those go under the screen. And then hold it in place. Pinch it together, hold it all in place. Should be flush right here. On this side and on this side. So once it's flush and it's all lined up properly, that's when you take the glue and you apply glue. You don't need a whole lot, just a little bit. We're just going to glue in the crevices here on this side. Do not glue on the side where the button is. If you get glue in there, it might damage the button. Allow it to dry, and then once it's dry, and then you're good to go. And that's how you replace it. Thanks for watching, and we hope we helped you out.